Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like.
People have been saying that if I become president,
each time we post, okay?
Guys. Then there's issue of being, how do I say that? What word do they use? Stingy. Part knew the question of stingy. How are you going to manage? Because they said you'll be stingy and everything. And let me say it publicly that people don't know what it is all about. At the heart of poverty is capital formation. And you can't go about capital formation without savings. Even in the most developed world, which is why I said that Japan holds highest amount of US treasury. If you listen or you go and read about what Professor Ragnar Nusk done in the 50s, it showed it clearly. Capital formation is at heart of poverty. Without capital formation, you have low productivity, low income, and you produce poverty all over the place. What I was doing as governor, I was the best governor in Millennium Development Goals by the UNDP. You can go and check that. Is that? I won a prize for the best road network. I won the Gay Prize back to back on health. You can go and see what I did in health. Build scratch, teaching hospitals and everything. Improved #1 in education. And above all, I was able to save because I believe in future generation. If you look at that savings, I said future generation funding because we want to have proper capital formation to drive tomorrow. If I have opportunity in Nigeria, no matter what we do, we'll do the same thing. We must save for tomorrow because that's how you form capital to turn around tomorrow.